Hi guys, Jeff here from TAT. Just want to share you the quick little technical tip related to this particular vehicle, but it applies to any vehicle you might be looking at. So this particular one, a Ford Ranger, 2018, it's got the 3.2 turbo diesel engine in. Again, this had a number of fault codes coming in with engine running, etc. But the key real thing too is once you start looking at your data PIDs with your scan tool, checking two particular range of PIDs. Temperature, so all the temperature sensors, be it exhaust, be it intake, be it coolant, whatever, check that they're all reading a temperature that you would expect. So cold first thing in the morning, depending where you are, they should all be reading the same temperature. You haven't even started the vehicle up. So a quick check of those temperature sensors. And late model cars like this have many temperature sensors. And the other is pressure sensors. So anything that measures pressure, so your manifold pressure, turbo pressure, etc. If the key on engine off, they should all be reading your normal altitude pressure because you haven't started the vehicle yet. So again, check them before you start the vehicle up and then start it and get the readings from them at what you would expect. So manifold pressure, you want it to drop if it's idle, etc. You want to check those particular ones. So this particular case study, which is on our website at the Repair Solution, a big thanks this one to Dale Buck from Garage One Limited in Christchurch, a big thank you, and also a tip off to Clinton Brett as well, who I think helped in this particular case. Again, picking out that the exhaust temperature sensors were faulty. So again, in this particular case, it wasn't the sensors that were actually faulty. There's a main plug that connects those sensors, and we had tension issues in there. No corrosion, but the actual tension of the pins in there weren't good, and therefore causing that erratic temperature of those temperature sensors. So again, check temperature sensors and pressure sensors is the first up thing when looking at any car, but particularly on these Ford Rangers. Hope that helps you out. See you next time.